What's up, guys? Welcome back to Catch and Chase. I just wanted to come on here before the video started and say a big thank you guys for helping us hit 500 subs. I know that ain't much, but for us it really is. And our whole goal is to get 1,000 subs by the end of the year. So by January 1st, we would like to have 1,000 subs. But in this video, I actually went out to one of our local creeks for a little bit of a evening topwater session. So if you guys enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Fishing in the local swimming hole is probably not the best bet. Oh, really? Oh, did you see that? Did you? That was cool because I literally, the glasses, I could see it come up and like try and eat it. Why? That'd be why. What the f? How? It's just like, you know what? You don't want this reel at all, don't you? That's not good at all either. God dang it.
Don't get hit.
You might as well fish.
I'm thinking like what, 10 minutes?
Might take way more than, never mind. Well, maybe. Let's see. Maybe, alright. It's coming out pretty easily.
Okay.
There. I was like, what the f happened there? How did my line get caught in between that? There's one. He's so big, man. He's about 7 inches. Oh, when they hit topwater, it's like they get every single hook in the most awkward spots. He's about 10 inches.
You hit it in the crack.
What the heck? It bit it when it was diving.
So big.
It's about 4 inches. What the heck? Nice. What a giant. Oh. Right here. There you go. He's a slightly better fish. Might be 12 inches. Barely hooked. I don't know. He's long. He might get 12 inches. Oh my gosh. That's a bigger fish. There's one. Is that a larger? No, it's a really pale smallmouth. Another about 11 incher. Come on, that's gotta be a fish right there. Are you kidding me? Come on. Oh, I got that one. Oh, you spit it. That was a good one. That's not a bad fish. Like a 14.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Oh, come on. That's a bigger fish too. Maybe nicer. He's a little better. A little better fish. He's barely hooked. Get another hook in you. Yeah. I can do like, sounds like a couple of these will actually do you all right in the tournament. Like a 13 and a half, or that's more, that's bigger, it's like 14. Not bad. That first one that came off was bigger. Oh my gosh! That's the best one so far. Maybe not. Oh yeah, it is. That little tiny little eddy over there. That tiny little eddy right there held it. Another about 14 incher. Freaking exploded on it though. Oh, my bad, bud. Got it. Wow, he's every bit 6 inches. Long and skinny.